Good morning and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are extending our camping trip from last week's video, if you caught that.
We're not leaving.
And we are here in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest, camping in one of our favorite camp spots. And today we are going to go out on a little adventure excursion, and go check out a couple of areas. What do we got?
River and a potential hot spring.
Ooh.
That way.
Okay.
Last night I got down to 27, but it warmed up quick. It was already like 42 at 9 a.m. Clouds came in and rain's coming in tomorrow. So,
I think it's like 50 in the 50s right now.
Yeah, so. It's actually going to snow here in a couple days. So we're looking at it.
Gotta get it while we can.
Yeah. All right, let's get ready and
go.
Out. All right, we're right there, blue dot. And then we're going to find this old road and then go towards river. And then we're going to go bushwhacking, try to find the hot spring on the other side. Oh, I see it. Update. Found the river. It's beautiful.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
Very tough to get to.
Yeah.
And bushwhack all the way back now.
Yeah.
This trail has been 1 out of 10 stars. Would not recommend. Liquid death for the rescue.
What trail?
That's why I rated it a 1, because at least we have liquid death.
Yes. Well,
this is the best flavor. Squeezed to death. It's orange. Oh my gosh, so good.
Yeah, we're never going there ever again. I'm glad we recorded this because we're never doing that again.
Never.
Yeah, especially when you fall by the river and you just go.
Yeah, and then I start crying, and I don't cry. I'm not a crier at all. But when it has to do with him, that was scary.
Yeah, don't act like there's a handle on a tree root tipped over, because I was jumping up on there to get the shot of the waterfall. But I grabbed that and it went, and I went. No, I just went back.
Yeah.
Back on my back.
Luckily, he didn't hit his head.
Luckily, the camera's okay.
He's okay. I don't care about the camera. That's replaceable. You're not.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so I rushed down, helped him get back right side.
Yeah, my feet were like that.
Yeah.
I was going like that. I'm like this.
I was like, don't move. Don't even try to get up.
And I was like, oh, thank God, because I let go of the camera, and it was up on top of the log still on these little.
And all he's concerned about
trees.
is get the camera, get the camera. I'm like,
get the camera.
I don't give a shit. Give me your hand.
So this has been a process.
Oh,
It's been a hike.
it's been a hike.
An hour P and W adventures hike. Watch it.
Adrenaline fueled hike.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to camp before we try to attempt this hot springs hike
Maybe.
and just chill. Oh, ow, ow. Another liquid death. Eat. What's for lunch? We are on our next adventure. Hopefully it's a little easier this time. What happened?
Up there.
Oh, you got sucked in. I got that on camera.
Yeah, don't stop there. Stop over here.
Got it. Alright, we tried to find warm springs and we could not find them anywhere along the river, which sucks. But,
It's beautiful.
oh, it's such a beautiful freaking creek. Amazing. Oh,
You got moss on your hat.
you got moss on you. Let's go now.
Okay.
Back to the road, I guess, huh? You don't get stuck in here, post holing. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, that was way easier coming back out. We should have went right through here instead of that so-called road.
Huh. It's almost like Dr. Pepper.
Yeah,
What
except
does it taste like?
grape.
Yeah, grape Dr. Pepper, but not in like a bad way.
Grape ape. Well, we struck out on the hot springs.
Yeah, but the creek was beautiful.
Yeah, the creek was freaking awesome.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, and that hike kicked my behind with the first one and then this one.
we're toast.
Whew.
It's relax time. Probably have to change our clothes again.
Probably.
Yeah. And
I mud holed, so I got mud all over the bottom of my pants.
yeah, and I got snow in my shoes, so
Oh.
we're gonna change and get some couple beers and relax.
Yes.
Because we're probably, what, about 5 miles?
I think we've done probably, here, let me look,
5 miles.
for the whole day. Yeah, we're at 5.1 for the whole day.
Cool. All right.
Yeah, got our exercise in today. You know,
It's not a boring video of us just sitting around a campfire.
in the same spot we were last time.
Yeah, see?
So you can sleep at the same spot for more than one night.
Who knows? I think we said that coming into 25, that we're gonna take a couple days.
Yep, we did.
So it's nice that there was a couple things
to do.
Yeah, to do, so.
Yeah. And the sun is shining still. Oh, it's so good.
For now. Update. Good morning. Night. Good night. Good night. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, that was funny. Just because we took a nap doesn't mean you say good morning.
Feels like it. Feels like it.
Right? And I make a bacon.
Yeah. Hey.
So, I mean, technically it could be morning.
What is going on here? Drinking in the morning.
And not coffee. We were a little toast after our 2 hikes, so we climbed up in the tent, took a little snoozer.
Yeah. As you can.
Right? Hey, that's what camping's all about.
Camping.
Relax life.
Yep.
But
why are you cooking bacon?
Oh, so we're just gonna have hot dogs tonight. Well, I'm gonna have a hot dog. You're gonna have brats.
Oh.
And I brought some tots. So I'm gonna try to make tater tots, like loaded potato tots. Loaded tater tots.
Loaded tater.
So I'm gonna do. So I fried up some bacon for Matt's.
All right. Yum.
So we'll put those on top, some cheese, and then I'm gonna make a little ranch dip to put on top.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
And 46 now? Still beautiful.
Just something I thought of at the last minute and threw them in.
Got tots? Load them up.
Load them up.
Bacon, cheese on tots. Yes.
And then the homemade ranch stuff.
Homemade ranch.
Ooh, those loaded tots, freaking bomb.
And hot dogs.
And hot dogs too. But I'm gonna add those loaded tots to the next edition of the cookbook. I just wish I would have had like some chives or green onions or something to add to the top of it, but we'll
next time
dress them up next time because it was totally a last minute idea that I had. So, all right, time to get cleaned up and go light a fire.
346 minutes later.
That's it. That's it. Yeah, we had a nice, relaxing evening without the camera and watching a nice flick and relaxed.
It was nice.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna go get warm because we've left our warming hut. Now we gotta go up in our other warming hut because it is cold.
30 degrees.
Yeah, 30.
Yep.
Okay.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Peace. Good morning.
Good morning. We had a nice, restful night. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, I was like just dead out all night. Oh, it was so nice.
We did a lot yesterday.
We did. I
Yeah.
was tired.
Yeah.
But simple breakfast, cleaned up, ready to go, ready to get home for the week and get started.
On our next adventure.
Yeah, we got to figure out where we're going.
Weather?
Well,
where are we going?
Yeah, I don't know.
But great time.
Yeah.
Check out the first video here. Link down there somewhere.
Somewhere below. Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, it's a little dog cloud. Arf, arf, arf.
Join us. Shall
Ow.
What's the knot? Weirdo. You're gonna amputate. You better not do that again. Ow. Ow. Don't fall down a hill.
Are you not taking the drone?
Am I not taking the drone? Am I taking the drone?
I thought you said you were taking it.
I'm over today, probably.
Yeah, I think you just need to like not do anything else.
Over. Oh. Front and center.
Whoa. Don't use that.
Whoa. That's definitely not going to be on the bloops.